Hello everybody, welcome to part 3 of Harry Gant's 1991 Oldsmobile model build. We're going to start by gluing the chassis pieces together. I'll start with this cross brace here. These little openings here, you can see that, go towards the firewall. Alright, and then just like before on the 80s GM monogram chassis, we'll use the frame as a jig. I've pre-sanded all this stuff already, so. See, just like that, we're letting it sit in there where it's all lined up. See if we can shoehorn the firewall in here. There we go. I'm using the thin cement because it creeps in a little bit better. So it's going to sit and hold this, let it dry for a minute. I'll be right back. Alright, so the roll cage is set up. It's not completely dry yet, but it is ready to go. And like I said, I didn't glue it down to chassis bottom. It's just set up there where it's all ready to be glued together after I paint it. So. Same thing here, we're going to hold it until it dries. I'll be right back. Alright, I got that other bar kind of fished through there. And rather than take it back out and retry it, I'm going to go ahead and glue it into place. Let that dry. Hold on. Alright, now that all the gluing is dried, we're going to do some painting. I'm going to primer everything first. This is what I'm using for the color of the roll cage. Bare Toasty Gray. You can get this at Home Depot. And that is a tip I learned from the NASCAR Modeling Outlaws. Jordan Williams actually is the one that uses that, and it always looks really, really good. So, again, shout out to that group. They're wonderful people over there. So, if you haven't joined over there, you should. So, let me get some primer set on everything, and I'll be right back. Alright, I have all this primed now, and I'm going to go ahead and paint it with that Toasty Gray gloss that I got from Home Depot. So let me shoot that real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, this is what it looks like painted with that Toasty Gray from Home Depot. I think it looks pretty good. It looks a little dark in the video, but trust me, it's the right shade of gray. So what I'm going to do is I'll do the detail painting in a different video. So I'm going to end it here. Thanks everybody for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I would very much appreciate it. And also, as I've said, I think in the previous video and earlier in this video, if you haven't joined the NASCAR Modeling Outlaw Facebook page, you should really consider doing it. It's a great group. A lot of tips you can learn from there. Lots of great people. So, like I said, just check it out. And thank you all for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you next week.